Good morning, students. Yesterday we have completed question answers of first poem. Today we are going to complete question answers of second lesson. The name of our lesson is Go and Come. You have to complete your question answers in English workbook. Okay. How is your workbook? Your workbook is in this color, yellow colored book, which you have got in your set of books. In that book you have to write down what? You have to write down answers of the questions which I am giving you on the board. Okay. Now here the first question is write the answers to the following questions. What is first question? Write the answers to the following questions. Now first question is what? Where did the little boy live? So I am writing answer of first question. Question number 1 first. Where did the little boy live? A little boy or the little boy lived in a pretty cottage. A little boy lived. A little boy lived in a pretty little cottage or little cottage. Pretty little cottage. Second answer. The second question which is given in the book is who had come to stay with the little boy and his family. Then who had come? You know it very well. Uncle had come, who was very strict, who used to like hard working. Correct or not? So second answer is what? The uncle had come. The uncle had come to stay with the little boy and his family. With the little boy and his family. Third answer. Third question is what? What did the uncle believe in? The uncle believed in hard work and discipline. The uncle believed in hard work and discipline. After that, question number second is find and write the lines that tells us how the boy's family took care of the garden. Second question, okay. Find and write the lines that tells us how the boy's family took care of the garden. The garden needed weeding and cleaning. They had to be cut and pruned at the right time. So question number 2, second answer. The garden needed weeding and cleaning. They had to be cut and pruned at the right time. Okay. Next question is, you have to see page number 9. Here it is told that write 3 words from the textbook that have something to do with gardening. Now, which words are related with gardening? The words like weeding, correct? Weeding is related to gardening. Then cleaning is related to gardening. More, what is related to gardening? Manure. Manure is related to gardening. Pruning is related to gardening. So these are some words. We have to write down any three. I have given you 4 to 5 words. Okay, you have to write down any three from this, or you can write all words. Next question is write. Question number 4 is give the opposites of. What is next question? Give the opposites of. Now little. What will be opposite word of little? Opposite word of little will be more. Second, pretty. Pretty means what? Beautiful. When we see any girl, what we say? What a pretty girl. Correct? So what will be opposite of pretty? Ugly will be opposite of pretty. Third one is different. Now opposite word of different is same. You have to write down same. Fourth one, few. Opposite of few will be many. In this way we have completed first 4 questions. Now next question is fifth one, that you have to do on your own. Okay, it is very easy. What you have to do, you have to just copy words. You have to see this word and same word you have to copy it down. Copy the words. What is that question? Copy the words. Different, believed and discipline. You have to see and write down those words. Okay, it is a simple question. After that is assignment 2. First assignment 1 is over. Textbook page number 2 is over. Textbook page 2nd. What is that now question? Question number 1. Was it wrong to tell the boy to weed the garden? No, it was not wrong. So what will be our first answer? Question number 1. First one. No, it was not. No, it was not wrong. It was not wrong to tell the boy. Tell the boy to weed the garden. To weed the garden. Question number 2, second one is, was the little boy naughty? Yes, of course, all small kids are naughty. So, our second answer is what? Yes, the little boy was very naughty. Yes, the little boy was very naughty. Third answer. After that is question number 2. Not third answer. After that is question number 2. What is second question? Find and write the line that tells us that little boy was about to cry. His chin began to wobble. His chin began to wobble. Then what happened further? He had a lump in his throat. He had lump in his throat. He has lump in his throat and his eyes filled up. Means there were water in his eyes. Correct or not? Tears. He had lump in his throat and his eyes filled up. Have you got it? In this way we have completed some questions. Can you see? Now it is correct. So assignment 1 we have completed 4 questions of assignment 1, and of assignment 2 we have completed 2 questions, first and second. This is of assignment 2. Now we are going to Take third question now. Third question is very easy. You have to circle odd man out. That I will not take on board now. I will show you here only which is the answer. Circle the odd man out. The first question is what? Chin, throat, eyes, uncle, nose. Now chin is what? Chin is part of our body. Correct or not? Where is our chin? Where do you have chin? Chin is here. Correct? Throat is here. Eyes and nose. Uncle is part of our body? No. So what is odd man out in this examples? The odd man out in this example is uncle. You have to circle it. Second one is boy, mother, uncle, aunt, house. Now these are what? All relations. Boy, mother, uncle, aunt. And house is what? House is non-living thing. Others are all living things. So house is odd man out. Rose, third one, rose, lily, sunflower, apple, lotus. Now these other all are flowers. Rose is flower, lily is flower, sunflower is flower, lotus is flower. But apple is what? Apple is fruit. So it is odd man out. And question number 4, same like this only. Question number 5, what you have to do? You have to copy the words. Naughty, N-A-U-G-H-T-Y, naughty, you have to write down here. Hardworking, you have to write down here. Wobble, you have to write down here. Have you understood? This much writing of your English workbook you have to complete in your, in your English workbook, page number 8 and page number 9. Remaining part of the lesson I will send you in tomorrow's video. We will complete assignment 3 and Tenali Raman lesson. I will be little fast. We will complete second lesson and third lesson of writing in workbook. Okay. Thank you.